If you're looking to cook a delicious, tender steak, choosing the right cut of beef is key. And according to Chef Afsan from Afsan Farm Kitchen, the best part of beef for a tender steak is the tenderloin. The tenderloin comes from the short loin of a cow and is one of the most tender cuts of beef. It's also lean, making it a healthier option than other cuts that are marbled with fat. To cook a perfect tenderloin steak, Chef Afsan seasons it with salt and pepper, then sears it in a hot pan with butter and garlic. After a few minutes, she finishes it off in the oven to ensure it's cooked to perfection. The result is a delicious, mouth-watering steak that's so tender, you can hear it just by listening to it cook. The tenderloin is versatile and can be cooked in many ways, but Chef Afsan's favorite is a simple pan-seared steak. So, there you have it, the best part of beef for a tender steak is the tenderloin. Give it a try the next time you're in the mood for a delicious and tender meal. Thank you for watching and following our channel.